Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Festool F Plus Plunge Router. The Festool 1400 EQ F Plus Plunge Router is a top-tier tool that delivers outstanding performance, precision, and versatility. Its powerful motor, smooth plunge mechanism, and user-friendly design make it a pleasure to work with, whether you're routing edges, creating joinery, or performing detailed plunge cuts. The dust extraction system and variable speed control further enhance its functionality, while the Sustainer 3 case adds convenience and keeps your workspace organized. The 2 to 3/4 of a horsepower motor provides more than enough power to handle a wide range of materials, from softwoods to hardwoods and composite materials. It's highly capable of performing everything from delicate edge trimming to more aggressive tasks like cutting deep grooves. The plunge action on the Festool 1400 EQ F Plus is extremely smooth, allowing for precise depth adjustments. The micro adjustment feature is particularly useful for fine-tuning your cutting depth, making this router ideal for detailed work. Festool is known for prioritizing ergonomics, and this router is no exception. The design ensures that the tool is comfortable to use even during long sessions. The handles provide a solid, comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and improving control. Our second best Festool router is Festool 574691 router. The Festool 574691 router of 1010 EQ Imperial is a highly capable and well-built router, designed for woodworkers who demand precision, control, and durability in their tools. Its compact size and light weight make it a joy to handle, especially for tasks requiring finesse. Whether you're routing edges, making grooves, or creating joinery, the of 1010 EQ delivers exceptional results thanks to its finely tuned plunge mechanism and variable speed control. The plunge mechanism is smooth and precise, which is critical for tasks requiring accuracy, like creating grooves or mortises. The router has an adjustable depth stop, allowing you to set exact plunge depths with micro adjustment capabilities for fine-tuning. Weighing only 6.2 pounds, the of 1010 EQ is one of the lightest routers in its class. Its compact size and lighter weight make it easy to maneuver, especially when working on delicate or detailed tasks, such as edge work or inlay routing. With a variable speed dial, the router lets you adjust the speed between 10,000 and 23,000 RPM, which is perfect for working with different types of materials. This feature ensures you can optimize cutting speed to prevent burning or tear out on various woods. Festool is known for its superior dust extraction systems, and the of 1010 EQ doesn't disappoint. It includes an integrated dust extraction port that keeps your workspace clean and visibility clear. Third pick in our list is Festool 574456 banding router. The Festool 574456 MFK 700 EQ edge banding router is an exceptional tool for professionals who demand precision and control in their edge routing tasks. Its modular base system and high-quality construction make it a top choice for those working with edge banding, veneers, or laminates, delivering flawless results with minimal effort. The MFK 700 is designed to handle intricate edge routing tasks, and it delivers incredibly smooth, accurate results. Its base design allows for routing flush edges, chamfers, and bevels with ease, making it a favorite among professional cabinet makers and woodworkers. One of the standout features of the MFK 700 is its interchangeable base system. You can switch between different bases, included or optional, depending on your task, whether it's trimming edge banding or routing close to surfaces. The ergonomic design ensures that the router is comfortable to use, even for extended periods. Its lightweight build, just over 4 pounds, combined with the comfortable handle placement allows for precise control during delicate edge routing tasks. The router feels balanced and easy to guide, making it an excellent tool for fine woodworking. The variable speed control also ensures that you can adjust the speed to match the material, preventing burning and ensuring a smooth finish. The 2 to 3/4 of a horsepower motor provides more than enough power to handle a wide range of materials, from softwoods to hardwoods and composite materials. Whether you're routing edges, making grooves, or creating joinery, the of 1010 EQ delivers exceptional results thanks to its finely tuned plunge mechanism and variable speed control. The plunge action on the Festool 574456 MFK 700 EQ F Plus Plunge Router is a top-tier tool for professionals who demand precision and control in their edge routing tasks. Its modular base system and high-quality construction make it a top choice for those working with edge banding, veneers, or laminates, delivering flawless results with minimal effort. The Festool 574456 MFK 700 is designed to handle intricate edge routing tasks, and it delivers incredibly smooth, accurate results. Number 4 in our side is Festool 491427 MFK 700 trim router. The Festool 491427 0° horizontal base is an excellent accessory for professionals and serious woodworkers who need precision in horizontal edge trimming tasks. Its solid construction, seamless integration with the MFK 700, and enhanced stability make it a must-have for achieving smooth, flawless results on flat edges. The 0° horizontal base ensures that the router maintains perfect alignment during horizontal routing tasks. This is ideal when you need to trim or route edges without creating any bevel or chamfer, allowing for clean and professional finishes on edge banding and other materials. Built from high-quality materials, the base is designed to withstand the demands of professional use. Its solid, robust construction ensures that it remains stable and secure during use, reducing vibrations and ensuring that cuts remain clean and accurate. As a proprietary accessory for the MFK 700 trim router, the 491427 base integrates seamlessly with the router. The attachment process is simple, and once mounted, it provides excellent stability. The precision machine fit guarantees consistent performance, which is critical when working with delicate materials that require smooth, even edges. Number 5 in our top 5 best Festool router list is Festool 574689 router. The Festool 574689 router of 2200 Imperial is a top-tier tool for those who need power, precision, and versatility in their routing projects. It's perfect for large-scale, heavy-duty tasks where other routers might struggle to perform, making it a go-to choice for professional woodworkers, cabinet makers, and craftsmen. The ergonomic design, superior dust extraction, and precise depth control make it a pleasure to use, despite its hefty size. The 2200-watt motor in the of 2200 delivers exceptional torque, making it capable of handling even the toughest materials like hardwoods, laminates, and dense composites with ease. This router excels in tasks requiring deep plunge cuts, making it ideal for jobs like mortising, dado cuts, and template work. Festool's hallmark precision is on full display with the of 2200. The micro-adjustable depth control allows for fine-tuning down to fractions of a millimeter, ensuring that every cut is accurate. The smooth plunge action and depth stop system make it easy to execute precise cuts repeatedly. The of 2200 is built for versatility. It's capable of everything from delicate edge work to heavy-duty tasks like joining or cabinetry. The ability to handle large bits and deeper cuts sets this router apart, allowing for a wide range of applications, including decorative profiling, plunge routing, and pattern work. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.